All right, we are getting ready to cook. So what I'm gonna make today is it's called a chicken pesto pasta salad. It's been a minute since I've cooked. So here are the ingredients. So start off rigatoni pasta. So everything, as you guys saw, I got from Smith's. Came out to under 40 bucks. So we got the pasta. We got the creamy basil pesto. Got the chicken thighs here. I'm gonna season them in a bit. 3 tomatoes. We have 2 cucumbers. We have 1 red pepper. Because on the menu that I'm following, because I got this inspired off of Instagram, she used olives. I'm not really a big fan of olives, so I'm gonna substitute it for avocado. Can't forget the wine. So I'm a big fan of this. It's a very cheap wine, but very good in my opinion. That is it for the video. Here is the chicken pesto pasta salad. I'm gonna dig in and enjoy this meal with my wine, of course. So yeah, I definitely encourage seasoning the chicken the way you want to. You know, add whatever, change it. This is just like a core guide. You know, make it your own. That's what cooking is all about. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment down what else I should make. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.